So this is the Reggae Boy community and we're here with
Junior Lawman.
From?
All from primary school.
Okay, and how old are you, Junior Lawman?
12.
So you play football?
Yes.
Okay, you know anything about the Reggae Boyz?
Yes.
The first question I want to ask, June the 6th, the Reggae Boyz played who in the World Cup qualifiers?
Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republic,
yes.
Alright, good. Name 3 players from the Reggae Boyz team.
Dujan, Whisper, Richards, Kaim Dixon, and Liam Daly.
Name your starting 11 for the game on June 6 against Dominican Republic.
At goalkeeper we have Andre Blake. At left back we have Greg Lee. At right back we have Lembo Giza. The 2 centre back partner are Damian Lowe and Lottie Bodier. In the middle we have Casey Palmer with Bobby Reed. On the right you have Liam Bailey. On the left you have Demargre. Up top you have Michael Antonio.
Alright, good to see how that go.
So make everybody know so the gate fly now. Everybody have an opportunity. You just have to just put in the work. Take in where you can take in and play the ball game. It's a repetitive thing generally, thing where you do over and over, repeat it.